Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making this ASOS top that I really like. It was pretty easy to make, so let's just get right into it. Here are all the supplies you need, but then again, I'll go ahead and list them in the description box below. So you guys know the drill. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a t-shirt that I really like the shape of. Go ahead and trace it out. Here I'm just marking where I want my elastic to be. I'm gonna go ahead and alter the neckline. You guys can do whatever neckline you like, but this is the one that's similar to the top. So I'm just gonna extend the side out to create a trapeze shape. Go ahead and mark where you want your ties to be. For the sleeve cuff, I decided I wanted mine to be about 8.5 inches long. It was easy for me to put on and take off. It's also only 1/2 inch in thickness. Go ahead and trace out the sleeve and the back, and here are all your pattern pieces. I didn't create a pattern piece for this, but I just cut out 2 strips for the sleeves. This is like the casing for the strings. The thickness is totally up to you, but mine was 1.5 inches wide. So down the center and the sides. I didn't create a pattern for this either, but the strings are totally up to you. So you can decide how long and how thick you want them to be. Once you feed the strings through, this is what the sleeve should look like. For the front, put right sides together and stitch right up until the first tie line. Go ahead and attach the ties. Put the front and back pieces together and sew it 1/2 inch at the shoulder. When you're done, go ahead and attach the sleeve. Now it's time to add the elastic. Line the elastic up where we marked earlier. Be sure to pull the fabric when you sew. For the cuff, leave a little opening where the ties are. Once you're done, you should have like a little extra piece. Go ahead and tuck that in and stitch a straight line where there's a seam. congratulations, you made it through. I actually totally forgot that the ASOS top had the ruching all the way up to the shoulder, but I actually do like it with just it on the sleeve. Also, if I were to do this again, I probably would change the strings on the front. I don't really like them too much. But overall, I think this top is really, really cute. Be sure to tag me if you try this out, and remember to stay strong and be fierce, my fashion lovers. See you in my next video.